Hello students, welcome to our e-learning classes. In our previous class, we already learned lesson number 4, taking care of our body. So today we will start our new lessons, lesson number 5, way to behave. Before starting the lessons, first know what is the means of behave. Behave means to act properly. I just give you one example. When any guests are coming to our house, that time our parents inform us some instructions that like how to talk with them, how to eat properly. They are indirectly tell us to show your good quality of a good child. It's called behavior. Now students, let's start our lessons way to behave. Before starting it, just see the textbook. There is given one small activity. Unscramble the words given below. See the first one. UYOKATHN. So which word will be there? The right word, thank you. So write the spelling of thank you. THANKYOU. Thank you. Next. YRSOR. So what will be the word? Sorry. 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 Next. EPLSC. So which will be the word? Please. PLESC. Now students, I am going to read the lessons. You have to speak along with me. Good manners. Manners are important things that we have to learn. We learn good manners at home and in school. Having good manners means behaving in a polite and graceful way. So at the beginning, they tell about good manners. What is the good manners? Manners are important. We are learning these things from two places. First is at our home and second in our school. Next, what is the means of good manner? Good manner means behaving in a polite and graceful way to the others. If we speak polite and graceful way to others, then they will happy from our behavior. Next, no one like an ill-mannered person. Some of a good manner you should follow are. So, everyone like a persons who are good manner. If you are doing a ill manner, then no one like you. Now there are giving some good manners that we have to follow in our life. Then we will get a success. See the first one. Greet each other. People greet each other when they meet. They either say good morning, good afternoon or good evening or a simple hello. So what they tell? When two peoples are meeting each other, that time we are telling them hi or hello. Otherwise, it's depend on a daytime. If it is morning, then we wish them good morning. If it is after 12 noon, then we are wishing them good afternoon. And if they meet at after 5 p.m., then we wish them good evening. So this is the conversations we are doing when we meet each other. Then see the next. People also wish each other when they leave. They say goodbye. So when we are leaving to others, that time we have to wish others goodbye. Next point is use magic words. When you get something, you must say thank you. When someone say thank you, you should say you are welcome. So, which is our first magic word? Thank you. When someone give you something, that time we have to wish them thank you. Then other person reply us, you are welcome. This is a good manner. See the next. When you want something, you should add please before your sentence to request for that things. If you need something, then we have to requesting to other. That time at the beginning of our sentence we have to use please. Please is our second magic word. See the next third magic word. When you hurt somebody unknowingly, say sorry to show that you have made a mistake. If we hurt someone, if we done any mistake, we have to accept it and we have to say sorry. So these are the three magic words. First one is thank you, second one is please, and third one is sorry. See the next point. Respect elders. Respect your elders and listen to them. So always we have to give a respect to our elders and listen to them. We have to take care of them. Next points. Be punctual. Learn to do your work on a time. Do not delay your work. So what they tell? We have to always work with the clock time. It will be good for ourselves. If we don't follow the clock, then we will delay our work and we can't get a success in our life. See the next point. Be neat and clean. Always keep your surrounding clean. Do not throw wastes in your classroom. Use a dustbin for the waste. So what else? Next point is be neat and clean. We have to always be leave neat and clean, and we have to keep our surrounding clean and neat. If we show any waste is there, then we have to throw it in a dustbin. We have to keep our surrounding like our school, our house, every place is neat and clean. Now see the next point. Turn your page. Be kind and helpful. We have to always help others. Help anyone in need. Do not tease or hurt animals. So we have to always help the others. Don't hurt or tease animal or any person. We have to be kind to the others. See the next point. Be truthful. Always speak the truth. Never lie. In our life, we have to always speak the truth. We should not have to spell the lie. We know that truth is too much hard, but it will be good for ourselves. Next, be happy and cheerful. Keep smiling. Everyone loves to be with a happy and cheerful child. Nobody likes to be with a sad and ill-mannered child. So what they tell? Everyone like a smiley face. If we are happy and cheerful, then everyone love us. No one like a sad and ill-mannered child. So these are the keys for the success in our life. If we follow this good manner in our life, then we will get a success. Next, write down 3 ways by which you can make others happy. So I think you all learn this good manner. So which good manner you have to follow in your life, then you make others happy. This activity you have to do by your own self. Write good for a good manner and bad for the bad manner. First one. Snatching the things from the other. It is good or bad? Bad. Helping people in a need. It is good or bad? Good. Being rude to the people. It is good or bad? Bad. Keeping surrounding neat and clean. Good. So students, I hope you understand the lessons. Now, let's revise whatever we learned. Now students, let's revise it. What have we learned? Way to behave. We have to wish each other when we meet and give blessings to each other. We have to take care of our elders. Next point is good manner. Good manners means when we meet each other, we should shake our hand. It's called a good manner. Next, greet each other. When we meet others, we have to say hello or hi. Otherwise, in our Indian style, we wish them namaste. When we are leaving, that time, bye or nice to meet you. This type of conversations we have to do. Next, use the magic words. If you done any mistake, then accept it and say sorry. I am sorry. If you need something, you have to say please. If you have something, then you have to say excuse me. When you get something, then say thank you. If you want to say your opinion to others, then say may I. Next, respect elders. We have to give respect to our elders, help them and take care of them. Next, be punctual. In a life, we have to work with the clock. Don't delay it. If we delay it, then we will lose our good opportunity. Next, be neat and clean. We have to keep our surrounding clean and neat, like our house, our school, etc. If we keep our surrounding neat and clean, then we will live a healthy and happy life. Next, be kind and helpful. We have to help everyone if possible. Don't hurt anyone. We have to always be kind for the others. Next, be truthful. Never tell a lie, always speak the truth. We know that truth is too hard, but we have to always speak it, then we will get a success in our life. Next, be happy and cheerful. Always show a smile on your face, and it shows a good sign of a perfect person. Everyone like a happy and cheerful person. Students, I hope you understand the lessons. Thank you.